With recent bank failure concerns, a slight drop in inflation helps ease some of the fears on Wall Street.
Financial markets rebounding today. The Dow 336 points higher, S&P up 64, and the Nasdaq was up 239. CBS News' Jessica Moore in our newsroom now with details on how this is impacting consumers. Jessica.
Well, Maurice and Christine, new data out today shows inflation fell for the 8th straight month, but it's still high at 6%. And now many people are hoping the Fed backs off its promised rate hike as consumers continue to wonder how secure their money is in U.S. banks. On the heels of the sudden and shocking collapse of Silicon Valley Bank and Signature Bank,
already cleared out.
Moody's placed First Republic Bank and 5 other U.S. lenders on review for downgrade, which means the banks are considered high risk for losing profits. The banks on Moody's radar include First Republic, Western Alliance, Intrust Financial, UMB, Zions, and Comerica. And while the news may be startling for some Americans,
I was very upset for 2 nights. I couldn't sleep. I can't lose it all. I live by that.
Regional bank stocks rebounded after sharp declines on Monday.
Remember that if you have less than $250,000 in an account, you're probably protected by FDIC insurance. And just think about this. We've talked in the past, and I say, oh my gosh, Americans aren't saving enough. So we're talking about a fraction of people.
The banking fallout combined with new inflation data, which shows only slight cooling, is complicating matters for the Fed as it considers another interest rate hike at its meeting next week.
My sense is that the Fed's going to pause. I mean, you know, they just came up with these extraordinary measures to make sure that everyone understands that the government has the banking system's back and your money is good where it is in the bank. It would be surprising to me, despite the inflation, despite the strength of the economy, for them to actually raise interest rates.
According to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, consumer prices in New York and New Jersey rose 0.4% in February after advancing 0.8% in January. Grocery and housing prices are up roughly 10% from 2022. All eyes are now on the Fed, which is balancing pushing inflation down while not raising interest rates so high that it increases concerns over more fallout at the banks. And CBS News has learned the Justice Department and the SEC are opening investigations into the collapse of Silicon Valley Bank. Keep in mind, several top executives sold bulks of their shares in that bank just days before last week's collapse. In the newsroom, Jessica Moore, CBS 2 News.
All right, Jessica, thank you.